Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn more about Dataframe integration through an object called as StructType. So we learned about Dataframe so far, and then when it comes to attaching a schema to the Dataframe, how do we do that? So basically there is something called as StructType with the PySpark. StructType is a kind of data type that represents the row and the related attributes. It's a collection of structured fields that further defines the column name, column data type, and boolean to specify if field and metadata can be nullable or not. The syntax includes structure type, and inside that there are various structure fields like id, created at, updated at. Let's look at the example. So here we have a list called as department, and then there is another list called as department fields, department columns. Then we are creating a data frame here called as department data frame, and then attaching this data frame with the data from the department list and the schema from the department columns. So now this schema doesn't have any data type associated it, neither it has a structure type. It's just basically a simple list. So as we are learning about the structure type, it is important to understand we can basically attach even a simple Python list as schema while we are creating the data frame. Now how do we do with that structure type and the related data types? So here we are importing PySpark SQL types. After that we have two lists. One is the employee data and second one is about the employee schema. The schema contains the column like first name, middle name, and the last name. We are creating the data frame here, attaching the data with the attaching this data frame for the data that is stored in the employee list, and the schema that is, let me change that to EMP schema. Then let's see how our data frame looks like now. Okay. As you can see, our data frame is clearly indicating the data type that we have assigned through the structure type and the data saved inside this data frame. Thank you.